So, assuming that we've got 12 volts on brown, 12 volts on blue, and we are hearing a ticking noise coming from the igniter, then the next stop on our electricity journey is to look for 12 volts on red on the circuit board. So again, say it with me, 1 probe on the screw, 1 probe on the red wire. Wow, my voice is getting low. Do I have some water? Keep a note that during startup, you are only going to see 12 volts on red while you hear the igniter ticking. This is because the 12 volts going out on red is meant to open up the gas valves to let propane through, and the system is only going to open those gas valves when it knows that there is an igniter there to ignite the propane, so we are not just dumping propane everywhere and not burning it off. We are not turning this water heater into a bomb. Woo!